Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, wait, this is not my channel, right? And I'm not Alina Reis. This is what all of you will be wondering. Well, yes, I'm not Alina Reis, and as many of you would be knowing, I'm her cousin with whom she made one check video. Okay, so today I'm here to present a beautiful video before you all, which will not have Alina Rice talking, but have lots of Alina Rice which you people will love to watch. This is on her birthday, that is today. We cousins have put together a video sharing all the memories, not all the memories, but some of the sweet memories we have with her, and also telling you guys a little bit about her life. So enjoy!
Hi Baji, wish you a very 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 happy birthday. And the way you are, I think तुम बहुत memories बनाती हो, but all of them are not worth sharing in front of everybody. इसलिए मैंने finally एक ढूंढी जो मैं सबके सामने बता सकती हूँ तुम्हारी. So I still remember the day when you became a CA and your results were out and तुम मेरे बगल में लेटी थी, मेरा हाथ पकड़े when you were shivering and you were crying. एंड मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था मैं तुम्हें कैसे संभालूं उस वक्त. एंड देन फिर फाइनली तुम्हारी फ्रेंड का फ़ोन आया एंड देन ही टोल्ड मी ऑन फोन कि तुम सीए बन गई हो, जो मैं तुम्हें बताना चाह रही थी बट तुम मुझे बताने दे नहीं रही थी, बिकॉज जब तुम्हें पता चला कि मुझे रिजल्ट पता चल गया है तो तुम्हारी वॉल्यूम डबल हो गई थी रोने की. फिर फाइनली मैंने तुम्हारी फ्रेंड की तुमसे बात करवाई एंड ही टोल्ड यू कि ही कॉन्ग्रेचुलेटेड यू कि कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन सी अलीना रईस. एंड देन तुम्हारी वॉल्यूम तो फिर आई थिंक ट्रिपल हो गई थी. एंड विद इन अ मिनट आई थिंक द एंटायर हाउस वाज क्राइंग. वैसे तो बहुत खुशी की बात थी, मुझे अब समझ नहीं आता कि हम सब क्यों रो रहे थे, बट सब बहुत गले लग लग के एक दूसरे से रो रहे थे. सो या इट वाज अ वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल डे एंड ऑफ कोर्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल मेमोरी. एंड आई रियली होप हम मिलकर ऐसी मेमोरीज आगे बनाती रहें. एंड अदर दैन दैट आई रियली वांटेड टू थैंक यू बिकॉज यू बिकम माई गो टू पर्सन इन इंडिया. मुझे कोई भी काम होता है आई जस्ट गिव यू कॉल एंड ऐसे बाजी यार ये काम करवा दो ना, एंड बाजी इज लाइक हाँ ठीक है मैं फ़ौरन करवाती हूँ, एंड बाजी करवा देती हैं. सो अ बिग बिग थैंक यू फॉर दैट. एंड या अगेन हैप्पी बर्थडे एंड आई लव यू.
Hi Baji, happy birthday. This is your year and you're going to bring home the golden trophy. So all the best and have fun.
Hi Betu, many happy returns of the day. So I'm supposed to share some funny memory with you. Okay, although we have many of them, but one of them is crazy. We were on that scooty Pep you had bought. Like we had such craze for that scooty when you had bought many years ago. I think you were in graduation or maybe in 12th. So red Pep, we were like used to go around here and there, and we both were students at that time. So we always had limited money. So you felt like eating besan ka laddu, and I was like, we don't have enough money to buy like 1 kg laddu or something like that. And you were like, no, there's no need of buying so much. And with full confidence, when in Chowk, the biggest mithai shop there is, and you went on the counter in full confidence, you say you just want 4 laddus, and I was like, I'm not with you here. I stood outside waiting for you, and you went and bought 1 laddu was I think 4 rupees. So you bought them, and means this was not enough. After eating that laddus, in the last 1 or 2 laddus you found something was there. So you went on the counter, you again complained over there, and they gave you they replaced that laddu for you. So this level of confidence we can never. I was like standing outside that I do not know this girl, whoever, whatever she is doing. I was really embarrassed, but I think there is nothing on earth that can make you feel embarrassed. So keep that confidence. That level of confidence is really hard to get. I appreciate it. And yes, have a very happy birthday. Have a great year ahead. Lots of love and blessings.
Hi Baji, happy birthday, have a great day. And I just want to say that you're not just an inspiration for your followers but also to all of us here at home. And it's so fun to hang out with you. And I just hope that this year is a lot better for you and for all of us as well. And just have a blast, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Oh my god. I love this bitch.
Hi Baji, a very very happy birthday to you. And look where I am. I am at Lake Emerald and we're canoeing. Okay, I'm supposed to quickly share a memory for your viewers. So the memory, a very funny memory that I have is that you made a video last year for your YouTube channel which was about 10 things that you like to do. And one of the things was that you like stealing stuff from your sister's room when she's not at home. And then in the video you showed some stuff and then you said, but she's not gonna watch this video so she won't find out. Guess what? I watched that video and I know that you stole that stuff. So I also commented on that video, so the two of us know about it. But for your viewers, this is a memory that we have, that she actually makes videos of stuff that she steals. Imagine. Okay. Happy birthday again. Bye.
Making weird faces. That's like you, right? Happy birthday, Baji. Woohoo. Dancing, making weird faces, just being crazy. These are the things that you have taught us. You have taught us to be confident. You have taught us to just avoid the negativity around and be ourselves. I'm really, really, really thankful for that. And on this day, I really want to ask you, do you remember the time we stole besan laddus? Did we actually do that, Baji? Because that's so funny. Why did we do it? We made a full-fledged plan to break into her place, and her, because I can't name. But why did we do that? That's so funny.
I think I
Anyway,
remember.
so that, and yes, also I think you already know this, but since it's your special day, I really wanna tell you that I love you more because I feel a weird connection with you. You know, I believe that we have very similar personalities, and I just see my older self in you. So that makes you special, and that's my favorite part. I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Baji. I have been instructed to only talk about good and decent and sober memories that we've shared over the past so many years. And that's why I'm struggling a little bit. Because you know that the memories that we share are not the most decent and sober memories. Having said that, the fondest memory that I have of Baji is I remember there was a bit of struggle going on between Baji and maths. I remember as soon as her maths tutor would come and ring the bell, she would go on top of the terrace, jump across the wall, and come downstairs to our house. And we might just be sleeping and she would just come and sleep. And then her parents would just give excuses to the teachers saying, Alina's friend had an emergency and she's gone there to help her out and all of that. You know, just trying to cover up all the mischief. And then as soon as the teacher leaves, she would go back on the terrace again, jump across the wall, and then go down So this happened quite a few times. But I think Baji, being Baji, she took it up as a challenge, and out comes the board results, and I think she scored like 100 out of 100. So that's what Baji is all about. That's what Miss Alina Rais is all about. Happy birthday once again, and I think you've been doing great. Take one step at a time. Bye.
Hi Vetu, wish you a very very happy birthday. Wish you a wonderful year. Wish you everything you desire for this year. And wish you lots and lots of happiness, good health, everything. Okay, now coming to the memory part. Yes, I'm the last one making this video because I've had a number of memories with you in all several topics, and then I was like, let the others talk, let others say whatever they have to, and जो topic discuss नहीं हुआ होगा, I'll discuss that topic. So Besan Laddu, I had one memory. Crying over results, I had a memory. 100 out of 100 on maths, I had memory. And running away from tuition teachers, I had memory. But then सब cover हो गया. So finally, and then secondly, I thought कि चलो तुम्हारी पागलपंती तो इतनी discuss हो चुकी है. So viewers know that you are half mad, and that is the best part in you, because people who are that kind of mad are actually the happy ones and the easy-go-lucky types. So that is a good thing in you. तो वो पागलपंती वाले अभी memories मैं यहाँ नहीं discuss करती हूँ और ज़्यादा तुम्हारे ऊपर. Let me discuss a memory which is very close to my heart, and it really really made me emotional, and it will let the people know what a gem of a person you are, what a beautiful heart you have. Okay, so this was in 2010 when I was getting married, and the case was that it was my birthday was approaching. On 21st was my birthday, and 23rd was my wedding. So that birthday of mine was very, I was finding it very special because 2 दिन बाद शादी हो रही है and I'll be away next year birthday पे. तो this year I was expecting कि everyone will kind of treat me very special and कुछ surprise होगा and all those things, and I was very emotional about it and I was very excited about it. But then as the birthday was approaching, it was around 12, going to be 12. All silence. No one is talking about my birthday. No one is discussing anything. मतलब शादी सारी बातें हो रही हैं. And I was like, यार, what is this? Birthday आ रही है यार. Please celebrate that first. And more than my family, maybe I was expecting something from you, because हम लोग इतना close रहे, like best of friends, even though cousins हैं, not real siblings, even though I'm 5 years elder to you. But then वो जो एक bond है हमारा from years that have been, बच्ची थी तब से I know all your secrets and you know all of mine, and इतनी ज़्यादा हमारी closeness रही है, and basically तुम्हारी तरफ से वो ज़्यादा रही है, तो इसलिए मैं भी तुम्हारे साथ वैसी हो गई, easy about telling everything kinds. तो I was expecting things from you, and then nothing was coming up. 12 बज गए, 12 बजे के बाद भी कुछ नहीं आया, and I was really angry, और मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा था, मुझे रोना आ रहा था. Actually cried I think on my birthday कि यार what is this यार, अभी से पराया कर दिया, 2 दिन है अभी मुझे. And then काफ़ी टाइम बाद 12 बजे के you called me up and you said कि आपा प्लीज़ आप आ जाओ ज़रा यहाँ पर मेरे घर पे. We were staying close by, so आ जाओ. And then I went, I said क्या है, I thought होगा कुछ करके हैप्पी बर्थडे कर देगी, चलो ठीक है. And I was upset already. I thought मैं इस लड़की से मानूंगी नहीं, चाहे कुछ भी करके दे, because 12 बज चुके, अब सारा वो तो निकल गया. And then you made me sit in front of your computer screen, और जैसे ही तुमने कंप्यूटर ऑन किया, what you had done, you had made a nice video of all the people of the Khandan wishing me birthday and giving me good wishes for my marriage and future and all that. And each and every person in the Khandan was covered, and oh my god, I was crying and I was laughing and I was so touched and I was so emotional that yaar, what have you done? And तुम वहाँ खड़े होकर हंस रही थी जोरों से, ha, and I was literally crying. That video is so close to my heart. That surprise is, I think, the best surprise I got for a birthday. And let me tell everyone that at that time there was no video making apps and there was no merging apps, and ये सब computer पे laptop and technology इतना ज़्यादा advanced नहीं थी. So this girl made the video from an ordinary camera, digicam, and उस पे pause कर के she ran over. हम लोग का क्या है, relative सारे कॉलोनी के अंदर रहते हैं, तो she ran to each one's house and captured each one's video वो digicam पे, and then she transferred. वो pause करती थी, play करती थी. She did that for a long time, and then she got it all together and मतलब I don't know how she managed it. It was a अभी ये सारी चीज़ सोचना बहुत easy है कि वीडियो बना दिया, उसको merge कर दिया सबका वीडियो and people are staying away on different locations, लेकिन सबका वीडियो एक साथ बन गया. But at that time it was a challenge which she did for me 10 years back. तो I was really touched and आज के दिन मैं वही remember कर सकती हूँ. I hope a little bit I'm able to repay with this video and this idea I came up with. And I hope you enjoy this birthday, you enjoy this video, and I hope your viewers enjoy this whole thing. Bye bye.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
May God bless you. कैसे कहती हूँ?
Bless you.